Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely beautiful BMW K1600B LE. Here we have a BMW K1600B LE. This is a 2018 bike on an 18 plate with just 3,389 miles and a full service history. This bike is in immaculate condition and comes in the black, as I think they all do, the baggers. It's got the panniers, obviously being a bagger, hard panniers with the central lock-in. And they're in excellent condition, as you can see there. Heated seats, all the fuel tank and the bar ends, lever and the mirrors, all absolutely in immaculate condition. It really is a thing of beauty. All the bodywork there looking absolutely superb. What does the B stand for? Well, it stands for Bagger, as I've already alluded to. 6-cylinder engine, which sounds absolutely superb. Engine bars there, all unmarked, and you've got those low-level fog lamps as well. No sign of any damage on the foot pegs, no corrosion on the engine anywhere to be seen, or the frame. Standard exhaust, absolutely mirror finish, looking superb. Rear tyre, plenty of life left on that one there, as you can see. And the rear wheel, what we can see of it, in excellent condition. No dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes, or scratches. There is absolutely nothing to apologise for on this motorcycle whatsoever. The front of the bike, no stone chips, no scratches, no damage. All your mirrors, the screen and the fairing all in excellent condition. Leading edges, no stone chips there either. And the front wheel, again, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches, no stone chips in the front mudguard. And the front tyre, plenty of life left there as well. Again, no corrosion anywhere to be seen on the bike. The left-hand side of the bike, absolutely superb as well, with no damage to the mirror, the bar ends, all the levers, all the bodywork there, again, absolutely superb. No sign of any damage, no drop damage anywhere. Anti-lock brakes, of course, on this one, various rider modes. Heated grips, heated seats. Power screen. Exhaust there on the left-hand side, all good, and the pannier unmarked. There's a centre stand as well. The seats all in great condition, no rips or tears. Petrol tank all good. Keyless ride, of course. There's cruise control. And a colour dash. And you've got the nav as well. It's also a stereo system. So everything you could want for those long journeys. So if you are looking for a superb touring cruiser, look no further than this stunning BMW K1600 Bagger LE. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful bagger, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take an inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.